Alright, let's continue working with brackets here. Alright, part A, track with me. Simplify 3 times, even though there is no times sign there, it implied. When you have a number in front of the brackets, it means that there are 3 times of A minus B, 3 lots of A minus B. And if A is 7, B is 4, what is the answer? Okay, let's do that. So we got 3, A minus B. A itself is 7, B is 4. So that will turn into 3 times 7, take away 4, that will be 3. So the answer is 9. So that's the answer to question part A. Let's do question part B. Question part B, find 2 lots of A plus B plus C. So we are going to substitute the given A equals to 2, B equals to 4, and C equals to 4 into the expression. So 2 lots of A plus B plus C is 2 plus 4 plus 4. So we deal with the brackets first. The brackets is 2 plus 4 plus 4, that will be 10. So the brackets is 10. So 2 brackets 10, it means 2 times 10, which is 20. So that's how you do question B. Okay? Now let's continue working on question part C. Simplify 3 lots of x minus y, or we say 3 times x minus y, minus 2 lots of y minus z, or we say minus 2 lots of y minus z. If the x is 8, y is 7, and z equals to 2. Alright, let's do that. So 3 lots of x minus y. X itself is 8, y is 7. Y is 7, z is 2. Okay? Now, BODMAS rule, we deal with the brackets first. So that will be 1. So 3 times 1. And then this one is 5. So 2 times 5. 3, 1 is 3 times 1, 3. 2, 5 means 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So the answer is negative 7. So that is the answer to question part C. Now, we are going to continue working on substituting positive and negative numbers. Alright, track with me. Part A. Simplify negative 5a minus 2 if a is negative 3. So a is negative 3, so when you see a, you are going to replace that or substitute that with negative 3. Let's do that. So here, I've got negative 5. I see a, I can replace it with negative 3 and take away 2. So negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Take away 2, that will be 13. And that is the answer to question part A. Part B, negative 3y plus 2z. If or where y equals to negative 4, z equals to negative 5. So we are going to substitute these values into the expression. Okay, let's do that. A negative 3y plus 2z. So I'm going to replace the y with negative 4 and the z with negative 5. So negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Then 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So the final answer will be 2. So that's how we do these revision questions. So if you have any question, feel free to reach out to your teacher or to myself. Thank you. Bye.